I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you right to the heart of British architecture with a dip pen and watercolor sketch of the iconic Houses of Parliament in London. If you're into urban sketching, architectural painting, or just love seeing how traditional tools like dip pen come to life with watercolor, you're in the right place. For this piece, I'll be using a Nikko G-pen nib, waterproof black ink, a cold-pressed watercolor paper, and watercolors. I always begin with a light pencil sketch to map out the major architectural elements such as the position of the major structures like the towers and most importantly, perspective lines to guide me when I'm inking. When I'm happy with the positions of all the important elements, I start inking with a dip pen. I love how dip pen gives character and variations to the line work. When sketching iconic buildings like the Parliament House, I focus on getting the overall proportions right and capturing the rhythm of its repeating elements. Since it's such a complex structure, my goal isn't to draw every single column. Instead, I try to suggest details in a loose, expressive way that still conveys the building's character. Once the ink is completely dry, I begin the watercolor wash. I started with the building by layering yellow ochre, burnt sienna, and subtle grays to bring out the contrast between shadows and light. For the sky, I use a blend of cerulean and ultramarine blue as well as a touch of Payne's grey to capture London's occasional moody atmosphere. To finish the painting, I added a few deep shadows and reflected tones in the water. And here it is, the finished ink and watercolor sketch of the Houses of Parliament. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more urban sketching, dip pen drawing, and watercolor architecture tutorials. Let me know in the comments what city or landmark you would like to see next. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.